Stop letting Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America pay you $1 a year on your savings. Yes, $10,000 sitting there equals $1. That is insulting. Meanwhile, there are accounts today that would pay you 3 to 4%. Literally hundreds of dollars instead of one. But here is the thing. A single high-yield account won't make you rich. The wealthy don't rely on one account. They use a system of accounts that gives them control, growth, and security. And today, I will show you the 6 accounts you need to copy that system. This is not theory. This is the exact framework people with real wealth use, and you can use it too. By the end of this video, you will know how to structure your money so every dollar has a job, pay bills, protect you, and grow into wealth. Step 1. Checking account, which is your bill account. This is your command center. Money comes in, bills go out, that is it. But here is the mistake. 96% of Americans make. They leave a lot of money in checking account. Your checking account earns almost nothing, 0.07% on average. So every $10,000 you leave in checking account loses around $230 to inflation every year. Keep only what you need for bills and automate the rest into the other accounts. Step 2 is the emergency fund. This is your safety net. Life will happen. Job loss, medical bills and car repairs. If you do not have cash, you will swipe a credit card and pay 25% interest. Big banks give you 0.01%. Online banks like Ali, SoFi, Marcus pay 4% plus. That is the difference between your cash rotting and your cash working. Take this rule. Park 3 to 6 months of expenses here. Step 3 is taxable brokerage account. This is where you start building wealth. You can buy stocks, ETFs, bonds with no contribution limit. Unlike retirement accounts, you can also pull your money anytime. If you have heard of FIRE, Financial Independence Retire Early, this is how people do it. They max this out in their 20s and 30s so they can stop working decades early. Brokerages like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab all offer it. Step 4 is the 401k. If your employer offers a 401k match, this is non-negotiable. You should take it. Why? Because if you put in $1,000 and they add $1,000, that is a 100% return instantly. No stock or crypto will ever guarantee you that. This money grows tax deferred, meaning you do not pay taxes until retirement when your tax bracket is usually lower. Step 5 is the Roth IRA. This is how you are future-proof against taxes. You contribute after-tax dollars today, but withdrawals in retirement are 100% tax-free. Think about that. Every dollar invested grows for decades, and Uncle Sam never touches it again. The contribution limit is around $7,000 a year, but if you start in your 20s, that's millions by retirement. Step 6 is the health savings account. This is the millionaire's cheat code, the only account with the triple tax advantages. Contributions reduce your taxable income, and growth is tax-free. Withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. And after 65, you can use it for anything, penalty-free. Imagine $500,000 to $800,000 sitting here by retirement, untouched by taxes. So here's your millionaire money system. Checking accounts for bills, high-yield savings account for emergencies, taxable brokerage for flexibility and FIRE, 401k for free employer match, Roth IRA for tax-free retirement, HSA as the stealth wealth account. Every dollar has a role. Bills, safety, growth, retirement, and tax-free wealth. Now tell me in the comments, how many of these accounts do you already have? If it's less than 3, you're leaving money on the table. And if you want to stop letting banks get rich off your money, subscribe right now. Because here at Smart Cents, I'll keep showing you the exact strategies the wealthy use so you can build your own financial freedom.